Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. My name is Bharat Natrayan. Now we are in a seventh video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm going to explain about the nested dynamic routing. Before that, understanding of dynamic routing and nested routing is needed. If you don't have, I will provide the link. You can refer the link and you can understand the dynamic and nested routing with practical demonstration. So let's get into the video. Before that, I'm going to give the brush up of the last few videos which is related to the routing, which is also necessary to understand the nested dynamic routing. Routing is used to navigate the user within the website. We can achieve routing using file-based system routing by providing files within the pages directory. So as a combination of domain name and the file name will result as a routing. We can This is the example of routing. Here we achieved nested routing by placing a folder within the nested directory. We can achieve dynamic routing also. With this dynamic routing we can create single template and we can get multiple pages with the slug which is mentioned in the path URL. So next we are going to use nested dynamic routing, which is the main objective of this video. With this nested dynamic routing, we can create complex documentations also. For example, the syntax example is here. Here we have multiple nested directories. The files are present within the directory. These directories and files have a dynamic name. So as a result of this, we can achieve nested dynamic routing. Now I'm going to provide the practical demonstration for the nested dynamic routing. Yeah, first of all, I'm going to create a first of all I'm going to create a dynamic folder, dynamic directory. Choose name as product name. This is dynamic directory. Within this, I'm going to provide the index.js file. First of all, I'm going to create function which is named as product name return export the functions export product name. Oh, we missed default here. So after that, we have to know which product we are going to see. So for that, we are going to get the dynamic name from the directory name. For that, I am going to create import router from next router constant. I am going to create a variable which is named as router. Here I am going to use router. Now I am going to create. I am going to provide the name of the path which is mentioned in the URL. Here router dot query dot the name we have mentioned here, product name. So it is ES lint error. we don't need to take care of that. So here I'm going to kickstart the project. So I'm going to access the host. Here I have achieved the local host homepage. So now we want to achieve this product and product name. I'm going to give product. For that I have achieved the product folder, product page. Like for this product folder, I have the index file which is mentioned the function which return the product. So we have achieved this product. Next I'm going to provide product name. Product name is laptop. So here we have achieved laptop. Like example is, so this laptop will be assigned to this variable product name. Then this index page will be triggered as a root file of this folder. So this router will get the name, name of name from the URL and it will print here. So this is how we achieve the nested dynamic routing. So we can also create more complex nested dynamic routing. For example, I'm going to create action folder. Within that, index.js, I'm going to copy the whole content from the product name folder index file and paste in the action folder which is within the action folder index file. So now here we have to change the product name as a action. So with this I'm going to achieve action as a review. We have achieved review. So instead of that, we can action doesn't mean review also only review. We can also consider as a comments also. If we give comments, we also get the comments. So friends, this is what nested routing. So we have, I believe you have understood that what is nested routing. In the future videos I'm going to explain about the catch-all routing, which we will not use nested routing. We will use only dynamic routing and complex folders. We can achieve more complex folders without using nested structure. So keep subscribe the YouTube channel and get the updates regularly. Thank you for watching.